We're gonna just show you here. It's a little awkward, but we're gonna do our best here to show you how to fold this quilt on the bias. So the first thing you're gonna do is spread it out. Now, let's flip this upside down because there's a reason for this. I actually prefer, if I'm putting it into storage, which so many of us need to store our Christmas quilts away still. If I'm putting a quilt into storage, I like keeping the top folded onto the inside. So that's a little more protected.
Yes,
of course, I like to wrap them and protect them from dust, but just in case, I do like to keep this on the inside. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just start with one corner and you're gonna fold it towards the middle of the quilt. As you do that, keep in mind that one side is going to be parallel with the edge of the quilt, and the other side is going to be parallel with the other edge of the quilt. And depending on how tight or how small you want to fold it is how far you're going to fold it in towards the middle. So we won't fold it in too far, but we're just going to pick that point. You might do it a couple times if you want it to be a very specific size for your shelf. And then next, you'll fold in the next quilt, again, parallel to the edges of the quilt. So you can kind of see it's resembling an envelope now. And then next, we'll fold this one in here. And so you're kind of making this little pocket. And all of these folds now are on the bias of the fabric. And so you're not going to get creased as much. And then lastly, we fold this one down. Okay. And then I did it a little bit, a little awkwardly. You kind of need to stretch it out and make sure that you have it all parallel. And then you just fold it like normal at this point. So you just fold it in half and then in half again. Now, at this point, you can fold it in half and then you could store it. You could wrap it in plastic or store it in a bin, or you could choose how you'd want to do it. But if you're going to gift a quilt, I wanted to talk about gifting quilts as well. I roll it here and then I can put a cute bow around it.